In this video, I'm doing some quarantine cooking. If you want to find out what I've got going on in the kitchen, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen and welcome to the channel. Today I am in the kitchen and I'm doing some quarantine cooking. This is part of a collaboration that's being hosted by the Sister Circle right here on YouTube. And I want to give a special thanks to Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan, and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner for coming up with this idea of the quarantine cooking collaboration. Again, it's being hosted by all of the Sister Circle right here on YouTube. All of us have decided to get together, guys, and share videos with you guys of what we're cooking in our kitchen while we are under the stay-at-home order. We're being creative. We're pulling out items from our pantry, using what we have, and we're coming on and sharing with you guys what we've got going on in our kitchens. Now, there's going to be a playlist right down in my description box. I'll have that available. Guys, you can click on that playlist and you will find all kinds of cooking inspiration that I know you guys will enjoy. So make sure that you check out that playlist every week. I believe through for the next 2 or 3 weeks, but there will be a playlist link and you'll be able to go over and check it out. But there will be tons of videos on there. That's what I'm doing today. I am cooking and I'm going to be making a chicken crescent bake. All right, but before we jump into the ingredients for this recipe, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel. This is a lifestyle channel and we enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, and occasionally a DIY. If you enjoy that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell twice so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. If you're a returning friend to the channel, welcome back. All right, guys, I am making a chicken crescent bake as part of this quarantine cooking challenge, and I'm going to go ahead and go over the ingredients with you guys. The ingredients are so simple, very minimal, and I know that you guys will enjoy this. I usually get rotisserie chickens and I'll split them in half and I'll freeze them. So that's what I'm using. I had these rotisserie chickens in the freezer, so I took out 1/2 because I only need 2 cups of chicken, and I think 1/2 will equal 2 cups. If it's not, then I'll pull out the other chicken because I took them both out of the freezer. So if I need that other half, I'll go ahead and get it. So chicken, all right, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of the Pillsbury Grands crescent rolls, or any type of crescent rolls that you have or want to use, but this is what I have in my fridge. The recipe calls for 1/2 cup of milk, but I want my chicken crescent bake to be creamy, so I am going to be using some heavy whipping cream. 1 cup of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. And that is it, guys. That's all the ingredients you need to make this crescent chicken bake. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to pan the camera down and we're going to get started. All right, guys, I'm going to start chopping up my chicken. And again, I need 2 cups of chicken, but I am going to go ahead and get to cutting up my chicken. All right, guys, as you can see, this is 2 cups of chicken. That was 1/2 of the rotisserie chicken, so I've got my 2 cups. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands and we're gonna move on to the next step. Next, guys, we're gonna add the chicken to our bowl. And then we're gonna add in 1 cup of the sharp shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to go ahead and mix our cheese and chicken together. And guys, let me just mention that if you don't have a rotisserie chicken, you can use canned chicken in this recipe. Okay guys, I've got a 9x13 pan that I've sprayed with some cooking spray, and now I'm going to go ahead and open up the crescent biscuits or the crescent rolls. Okay guys, here's what the crescent rolls are going to look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the soup mixture and pour that on top. Now this is going into a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, the crescent bake is in the oven. It has to stay in there for about 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. I'm going to get ready to clean up the kitchen while that's in the oven. But before I do that, I want to show you guys this cute little vignette that I put together on the island in my kitchen. Guys, here is the little vignette that I put together on the island in my kitchen. I thought this was it turned out really cute. Let me show you what I got going on. This is actually a napkin holder. I ordered it off of either HSN or QVC, but it's actually supposed to be a napkin holder, but I'm just using it to create little vignettes with. But it's farmhouse inspired. I just thought it was so cute. And so I just put a vase of flowers, these little daisies right here. And then this cute little bird. And then I put my succulent plant here. And then just a Dollar Tree candle. And there you have it. I just thought it turned out really cute. And I think I'm gonna keep this on my island for a while. Makes me smile when I walk into the kitchen. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll see you guys back in about 35 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this a try. It's still really, really hot. So I'm only putting a little bit in this little dish, but let me go ahead and see what it tastes like. tastes good, guys. You can taste the cheese melting in the chicken, and it's nice and creamy. The crescents are not soggy at all. They absorb just the right amount of the soup mixture. Really tasty dish, you guys. Remember, like I said, you can use canned chicken with this. I'm sure you could probably make this with tuna as well. You just gotta be creative and pull out some items, but I will link the recipe in my description box right down below, guys. If you wanna try out this recipe, it's quick, it's easy, minimal ingredients. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanna thank the Sister Circle, Denise Jordan and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Thank you, ladies, for inviting us to participate in this quarantine cooking collaboration. I'm looking forward to the next video when I see you guys soon in the next video. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. Stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.